That was crazy.
I know.
What I really wanted to do was get a picture of this, because this is really cool. I really like this shot right here. You can see the water all down and out over there, just whirling around. Well, these were old power lines, probably because this was the easiest way, maybe in the old days, to keep the power as accessible as possible. Meaning people could work on it very easily. And maybe they already had the trees cleared for the trains, right?
Right.
So maybe that's why. Well, that was totally on accident. We didn't mean to be on the rail bed when a train was coming, but hey, it was really cool. And we got to show Ender a really beautiful spot. So now we're going to get the heck off this rail bed, because it is an active one, but we're not crossing the train tracks by any means. We're just riding alongside, as you saw. But yeah.
Yeah. It was fun.
Let's get home and get some lunch.
Yeah.
Sound good?
Sound good.
High five for trains. Sweet.